very uncomfortable with that. And then it just starts flying at you. Oh, but now it's compromised. And I think I have another glove. Compromised? This weekend is going to be so productive and I want to bring you along. I have so many things I need to do. It's currently 7:23 on Saturday morning. My body clock has been waking me up at 5:30 because that's the time I get up for work. I'm just up earlier now and the sun's up, so it kind of helps. I'm just whispering a little bit because Rowan and Cosmo are still in bed. But yeah, let's go have a very productive weekend. Just changed into my pajama pants because it's just so much comfier. I'm about to wrap some Christmas presents for all the dogs in my life. I got 3 of these little like bone freeze things so they can keep cool in the summer, which is really cool. I got 3 rope toys. And then this one is for my little boy. My first marinade that I've ever done. How heavy a skewer is meant to be? Oh no! I've got my glove caught in. Oh, but now it's compromised. And I think I have another glove. Compromised? But we're also going to get a bit of glove in our dinner. Oh no, can I please have another glove? I'm very uncomfortable with that. I'm compromised. I am compromised. With important men who think important thoughts. Thank you. That's a valid reaction. You're literally pouring juice down my glove.
Baby, was it over? Let's fast forward to 300 awkward blind dates later.
So popular and like you're so high in the public media, then like once you say something like that, it will destroy your reputation if you go back. Like if you start to not believe it in 1 or 2 years.
That's a thing with the virus. It's a thing with the virus.
Oh no, we've got one. Do you have one? I was just waiting and this big, huge redback just literally came out of nowhere and then it started flying. Imagine being scared of spiders as it is and then it just starts flying at you. That's enough gardening for me for today. I'm done. sit down with you while I do my last task of the day, and just chat about how I stay productive. And obviously on a weekend you don't want to be productive, you want to be lazy, and you want to relax on the weekends. But basically the things that help me sort of stay productive on a weekend is really prioritizing like which tasks you're doing in what order. I do the laundry first because it takes like 2 minutes to put on, if that, but then it's going for like 50 minutes. And I feel like the 50 minutes after I put it on, it feels like I'm doing 2 things at once. And so that just makes me feel really productive. And so during that time, I do anything that doesn't require water. So I either go for my workout, or I change the bedding, or I don't know, I wipe down the kitchen or something. And I feel like if you're doing a task while something else is in the background running, it sort of makes the day go a little bit quicker. I don't know, I feel like I'm not even really in a place to really be giving productivity tips, but this is honestly just what works for me. And I find also incorporating lots and lots of little breaks throughout the day. So like after you do a task, give yourself 5 minutes to just chill on your phone, like set a timer, and make sure you obviously get up when that time is done, otherwise the whole day will get away from you. And I also reckon adding a few like fun tasks into the mix really helps get you through the day. So basically, if your most hated task is cleaning the kitchen or cleaning the bathroom, in your list of tasks put a fun one before it and a fun one after it, so you're kind of getting rewarded for that. I'm just chatting to the camera while you're outside. What?
Chickens.
Oh my god, there's so many. Oh my god, Rowan just came and showed me the chilies that he's been growing. Wow, how many are there? 1, 2, 16?
I didn't hear. Yeah.
No chilies for you. Oh, that's cool. Put them like in an airtight container or something. Wow, that plant, best $5 we've ever spent. I wish I liked chilies. That's like the one thing that's growing in our garden.
And the potatoes.
Oh yeah, and the potatoes. But I think the rest of the night is just gonna be chill. I'm gonna watch the last episode of The Block for 2023, which will be so exciting. I haven't actually followed The Block like this ever, so it'll be really, really interesting to see who wins. If you're into The Block, my guess is that Steph and Gian are gonna win, or, I mean, I hope the girls win, but I don't know. But yeah, thank you so much for coming along with me on my little productive weekend. I hope you found some motivation out of it, and yeah, that's all from me. I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Thanks for watching.